Birds inhabit nearly every corner of the world and play an important role in ecosystems everywhere. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. Daisies are a cheerful and beloved flower, usually seen in the springtime. They are so small and humble, but they have an incredible ability to inspire others. Their cheerful presence can brighten any day, and their simple beauty can make anyone feel happy. Daisies remind us to appreciate the little things in life, and they remind us that it is always worth smiling. There are so many things to love about stars. They come in a variety of sizes, colors, and brightness levels, adding a spark of beauty to the night. They remind us that there is so much out there to explore and that anything is possible. They remind us to reach for the stars and to never give up on our dreams.